Computers are so ubiquitous, you will have to try really hard to go anywhere they don't exist. In a hospital, there's a computer. In a school, there is one. In a mechanic shop or a car dealership, on a train, on an airplane, and even more close by, your pocket. Computers are everywhere. You might have noticed that regardless of where you see a computer, it always seems that computer was designed specifically for that industry. For example, mechanics use computers to pinpoint hard to find problems in your car engine. In a hospital, sick people are attached to computers to get live readings of their heart rate or body temperature. In your pocket, your cell phone appears to be capable of doing anything, from quick selfies to paying bills to communicating with friends and family. In short, computers are present in every industry: business, engineering, education, healthcare, entertainment, and fashion. Because of this, you can't easily categorize them as tools that belongs to any specific industry. In fact, I will argue that a computer is the single most versatile tool the human mind has ever produced. But here's the thing though, regardless of the industry, every computer can be defined as a device that can accept information, process that information, and produce an output. All computers are made of the same basic components. The reason they appear so specific to industries is because they are programmable. Fundamentally, computers are designed to be instructed. In fact, the only superpower that a computer really has is its ability to follow instruction. The mechanism for giving computers instructions is a computer program, or a software, or an app. All of these terms mean the same thing. A computer program is basically a set of instructions that tell the computer what to do given a situation or some input. So computers basically do whatever their programs or their software tell them to do. I hope that answers the age-old question, can a computer take over the world? As you might have figured out by now, the computers you see in the different industries are not really specialized. Instead, their programs are. When you go to a grocery store, the cashier is using a computer that has the same components as your laptop or even your cell phone. But while your laptop or your cell phone is meant to be used for different things, the cashier's computer is meant to do one specific thing. Ergo, its software is designed for that one thing, selling you stuff. So if you have a great idea about how a computer might help solve a problem in your neighborhood, you will have to communicate that idea to the computer using a computer program. Computer programs are written. Yes, they are written just like a textbook or a science fiction novel you might have read. The only difference between a text of your favorite adventure story and a computer program is the language in which they are written. Computers cannot yet understand any human spoken language. They can only understand a language known as binary, or zeros and ones. The trouble with the binary language is we humans find it very difficult to learn and retain. As a result, by we I mean really smart people, had to come up with intermediary languages that will bridge the gap between our spoken languages like English and Arabic and the computer's binary language. We'll talk more about, those intermediary languages in subsequent courses. So, writing a computer program usually involves you learning one of those intermediary languages, as well as the science and art of the craft. Yes, computer programming, as the craft is called, unlike most other disciplines, is both a science and an art. It is a science because, like physics, it relies on the scientific method to gauge correctness. It is an art because every aspect of it must be designed. So, to answer the question, why learn to program? I will say, to step into the whole new and bold world. Learning to write a computer program gives you a special ability that can open a whole new side of your mental acuity. As it turns out, learning to program is very easy. With some free time, determination, consistency, and discipline, anyone can learn to write a computer program, especially you.